A Keas is out for a morning stroll and looking for breakfast. The Keas is the world's only Alpine Parrot and is endemic to the South Island. With only 6,000 of them alive today, the species is endangered. They're survivors in a place where no parrot should be. Another tropical animal like the gecko, whose ancestors adapted to live in New Zealand's chilly latitudes. Playful, smart, and belligerent birds. These 18-inch, 2-pound parrots are icons of the mountains. The bird's powerful curved beak is an important tool for digging, pulling apart bark and prying up the frozen ground. His feet double up as grasping tools and for clambering around on slippery rock surfaces. Their diet includes more than 200 different species of plants and animals. This morning, it appears to be moss that's tickling this guy's fancy, or more likely, what's under it. But even animals like sheep, deer, and goats are on the menu. Their habit of attacking livestock at night is one of the reasons they're endangered. Farmers used to shoot them on sight. This ability to exploit so many food sources is a testament to their intelligence. Some scientists believe that Keas might be as smart as a 4-year-old human. Their ability to learn from each other is phenomenal. This male and female are pair bonding through play. The behavior is known as locking bills. It's arm wrestling for Keas. Keas play can look rough, but these two birds are lifelong partners. And this kind of play fighting is part of their ongoing courtship. Two juveniles rush up behind to watch. They have the yellow marks of youth around their bills. This is how they'll learn to court their own partners in the future.